When you met King Hussein, he was one of the most eligible bachelors, and within 6 weeks he proposed. How did you feel about that? How did your family feel about that change?
We met and began conversations. We'd grown up in two completely different cultures and countries, separated by thousands of miles, and yet we had so much in common in terms of our hopes for the future, our desire for peace, our belief that we each have a responsibility to try to make a difference and to contribute to that process. I thought we were becoming friends. We were becoming friends. It was a wonderful basis for what happened later, but I had no idea that he would propose to me and that our relationship would become what it was. It was an extraordinary blessing, and that partnership was the greatest privilege of my life.
Was he a fun guy?
He was fun. He loved his family and his people. He was an idealist. We shared idealism and optimism. We shared the same values and the same, as I was saying earlier, just as our people share, our cultures share, the same desire for peace and security.
Did he ever say it's good to be the king?
No. He was only well enough. He became king when he was 17 years old.
Oh, wow.
And he served for 47 years.
Our thanks to Tamara Braun. Wasn't she great, guys? We sure had a good time. Thank you. Walter and General Hospital every week on ABC. And take a little time to enjoy The View. But first, here to sing There's No Limit off of her new CD, I'm Just a Girl. Please welcome Deana Carter.